this is Racha. Good morning. Today I'm thinking about doing this elastic waistband on my skirt that I just finished last night. And as you can see, this skirt has elastic waistline, and usually I like to do my skirt with elastic band like this so it stays snuggle. I have another example that I did. This one is a stockinette stitch. I had the pattern on my website. I'm going to put the link on the top, okay, if you're interested. And most of my skirt I always do it with the elastic band with a little hem on the top. And this is the way it looked before I put it together with the band. I knit like 5 or 6 rows, and then I did the purl, and then I'm doing another 5-6 rows so that it have it as the same as the top portion. And then when I finish with my skirt, I come back and finish my waistband. So I have 25 inches of the waist length. So I use my elastic. I cut it about 1 inch less than the waist. So I cut 24 inches, and then I just did the quick zigzag stitches together on my machine. You don't have to use the machine. You can just use regular thread and needle, and overlap about 1/2 inch so that it stay nice and tight. And then when I have my elastic band ready, I'm going to turn my skirt the wrong side out. So my skirt is wrong side out, and I'm going to apply my elastic. I'm gonna put my elastic over like that, and then I'm gonna look for look for the part that I had started my cast on, and usually I will have much longer yarn left over, but this time I did it just about perfect, not too much. And then you just start it from there. You're gonna fold the beginning part, the top part, over elastic band, and then you're gonna start hem around the waistline, okay? But first I have to thread my needle. Use tapestry needle that you usually do. So I thread that in, and then I'm going to start put this together. See, the way you can tell where my straight line is that I have purl one round at the end of that portion, second portion first, and then purl, second purl. So I can see on the wrong side, you can see a little space from that. So I'll pick up just right along the part just right before that space, because the purl on the right side, so you have knit on the right side and create a little space here. So let's start. Fold it in, and just pick up. Just do normal sew. You can skip one stitch if you like, but I like to do my, when using the yarn medium gauge or bigger gauge, I like to do my airy stitches. So I just go around and pick up all these stitches according to the alignment. Keep going like that. So you're doing it around until you come complete circle, and then you just hide your yarn under, tuck it under the stitches. So keep doing that. Just make sure it has a straight alignment. It's not like, pull it too much or too loose. Keep checking once in a while. And when you're running out of yarn, you can just, cut another one. Use the same yarn from leftover. And you see on the right side, you can hardly see anything. It look nice and smooth. So I think you get the idea. So that's how I did it.